Misti, my name I'm Miramin Yusof. My metric number 10DLS19F1217.
Hello Misti, my name is Siduna Binti Muhammad Yusof. My metric number 10DLS 19F1202.
Me and my group partner want to tell you about how to use a Frankie machine. Okay, this instruction. Let me tell you about the definition of Frankie machine. How to use it. Okay, a Frankie machine is an office equipment that can stamp post payment on payable letter, where companies can obtain a license for this machine from Pos Laju. Using a French machine can also save time to stick and stamp based on weight, value, document type, and destination. The Frankie machine can also be connected directly to the scale to determine the stamp charge rate. For the first step of using Frankie machine is read the operational instruction carefully before using your Frankie machine. Okay, it's to reduce the risk of fire, electric shock, injury to person. Follow normal and basic safety precaution for office equipment when using your Frankie machine. To avoid damage, only use approved supplies, which is ink, tape, or cleaner. For the step number 2, keep finger, long hair, jewels, necktie, and loose clothing away from the nail patch at all time before starting the operation. Because when the Frankie machine in processing the manual mode, the machine runs form and keeps a running count until. Okay, for the step number 3, start by sorting your letter. Okay, if you have post a lot of letter, start by sorting your item according to format. Then reach format, a letter, large letter, and parcel. Okay, for each format has a specific size, weight restriction. So make sure to check this table here to correctly categories to your post. By sorting letter at this stage, you minimize the risk of human error later on in this franking process, resulting in a more efficient and streamlined service. To step number 4, assign a cost center. To better manage and track expenditure, you should set up a cost center on your Frankie machine. The instructor need to enter a PIN or password to protect it, and then confirm your selection. Step number 5, select the product and make sure your postage rate up to date, and most of system and machine will update the postage rate automatically, and either by a rate sheet that's dispatched to you or via an online download. Step number 6, weight your post. Most Frankie machine will have either link or integrate scale, will be able to determine the weight and correct postage based on weight. Just put the letter on the scale, confirm the weight on screen, and the postage value will be calculated.
Okay, for the 5th step is insert frank the letter. So you can now frank your email item with the selected postage rate. So fit the letter facing upwards into the machine, and a franking mark will be stamped onto the envelope. Okay, so make sure you insert the mail correctly. For example, if you're using a Pharma Metric F12, the mail item must be placed so that right hand edge in flush against the housing and push back to the stock. Okay. For high volume, franking machines can frank email items in bulk by using an automatic feeder. Okay, so the sixth step is prepare frank mail for post. So the first step is to make sure franking marks are clear to avoid Royal Mail such charges. From there, sort your frank mail into class types, size and destination. Postage bags can be acquired by Royal Mail. Make sure first class mail goes in the red postage bag and second class in the green postage.
Okay, for the step number 9, do not place lit candle, cigar on the franking machine, because as you know, when you close with the franking machine, it's become a heat from the other side, and when removing jam material, avoid using too much force to prevent personal injury and damaging components. So when lifting cover, wait for all part to stop moving before placing hand near the feeder patch or print head.
Okay, for 10 step of safety, avoid using too much force to avoid self-injuring and damaging components while removing jam material. Okay, second step, wait for all parts to stop moving before placing hand near the feeder, pad or print head. So, next, do not block ventilation openings or try to stop the power cable fan to prevent overheating. So, do not remove bottle cover as the enclosed potentially hazardous or part that should only accessed by a service representative. So the last step is to reduce the risk and injuring to person, follow normal and basic safety precautions. Thank you, Miss G, and enjoy your day. Bye.